Hi, I am Baran. Welcome to my channel. By day, I am a software engineer, but by night, I am an architect of eerie game worlds. I disappear between line of codes to build worlds no one dares to enter. I am currently working as a software engineer at a company, and in my spare time, I am developing a multiplayer game named No Checkout by using Godot engine. In this episode of our Devlog series, I will be sharing the technical and design progress of the Fadeds, which are our first NPCs in No Checkout game. So far, I have created their behavior logic, designed environmental perception systems, and established their control mechanisms. If you don't want to miss the evolution of this dark and mysterious world, subscribe to the channel and like the video. A spooky and thrilling journey awaits. In this episode, I focused on animation design, movement and behavior model, integration and synchronization of the Faded. Faded are mysterious NPCs who roam the abandoned hallways of the hotel. They once lived here. Now they are trapped somewhere between the living and the dead. Like fading echoes, their silent steps alone are enough to send chill down your spine. More than just threats, they carry the emotional weight of the hotel's haunted past. While wandering aimlessly through the hotel's darkness, they suddenly lock onto any person they see, rushing to attack them, only to fall back into their nightmares moments later. From a player's perspective, the encounter is terrifying, but the Faded are more than enemies. They are the hotel's memories brought to life. To give the Faded NPC a strong visual identity, we built an animation state machine using Godot's animation tree system. It includes 4 main states: idle, walk, run, and attack animations, each corresponding to different behavior states of the NPC. We use it carefully, tuned transitions, and blend times to ensure smooth and believable movement between states, enhancing realism and immersion. To avoid repetition and add natural diversity, we use it to blend 1D space nodes within each state, allowing the system to pick random variations. For example, each Faded character might use a different idle or attack animation, even if they are in the same state, giving each one a unique feel. We also matched the gameplay state machine with the animation system. When a Faded enters the running state in logic, it also triggers the corresponding run animations node in the animation tree. This tight coupling ensures fluidity and consistency between the gameplay logic and the visual feedback. Movement and behavior model. To create believable interactions with the environment, I built a state machine-based movement system. Faded NPCs usually wander aimlessly, but when they spot a player, they suddenly gain purpose, sprinting towards the target, then halting to attack if close enough. This transition is handled using timers and fixed direction logic to enhance cinematic quality. Their behavior states perfectly align with the animation states. When an NPC is running or attacking, the animation state reflects this in real time. This synchronization helps maintain both visual and technical cohesion. During development, we encountered the infamous Beyblade bug, which is uncontrolled spinning, which we solved with rotation, interpolation, and speed clamping. We also ensured that during attacks, Faded stand still, making their strikes feel more deliberate and threatening. All of this contributes to Faded becoming more than just an horror element. They became believable characters in the world of No Checkout. NPC integration and synchronization. One of the most critical parts was integrating the Faded NPC into multiplayer settings and ensuring their animation and behaviors are synchronized across all clients. Each player sees the same movements, states, and transitions. We synchronized the position, orientation, and state data over the network to maintain consistency. For animation sync, we sent blend parameters and transition states so that the animations play at the same time and speed for every client. Thanks to this work, Faded are no longer just AI enemies. They are fully integrated, technically sound entities in the multiplayer horror experience of No Checkout. In this devlog, I shared how we shaped the visuals, behaviors, and technical systems behind the faded NPC. But what other horrors lie in the depth of this haunted hotel? In the next devlog, I will introduce a new NPC and dive deeper into No Checkout world. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.